Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will look at Binance Cloud Mining. First, open the Binance app, go to More or search for Cloud Mining. You will find it under the Earn section. Binance offers limited mining contracts, so once they are sold out, you will have to wait for the next batch. The minimum investments starts at around $3 and most contracts run for about 360 to 365 days. If you invest more, such as $30, your estimated return is high, but it's still not guaranteed. The important thing to remember is that your rewards are paid in Bitcoin, not USDT. If Bitcoin's price goes up, your profits could be much higher, but if the price falls, your earning could lose value and you might even end up with a loss. So, Binance Cloud Mining is better suited for people who believe Bitcoin will increase in value over the long term. If you have a small budget or want quick returns, this may not be the best option. Thanks for watching.